Hello everyone and happy World Intellectual Property Day. Most people view IP through the legal lens, focusing on the patent, copyrights and trademarks. Moving beyond the legalities, we see IP differently as a strategic framework for turning ideas into the lasting impact. Every meaningful advancement began as a thought in someone's mind, and IP provides that essential framework for the innovators to develop their ideas, knowing that it is protected, sustained, and shared globally. So, today we are not just celebrating the legal protection, we are celebrating the power of ideas and the system that help them grow.
And that impact shows up across every major sector of the economy. In technology, patent protects core inventions, giving companies a competitive edge and enabling powerful licensing models. In healthcare, IP allows firms to recover the enormous cost of R&D in drug and device development, while it also encourages further innovations. In the arts, copyright ensures that creators are fairly compensated for the work they put into the world. But forward thinking leaders don't stop at protection. They use IP strategically for building portfolios, forming cross licensing agreements, shaping collaborations, and positioning themselves for long term market advantage. So, IP isn't just a legal shield. In the right hands, it's a growth engine as well.
Think about a researcher who has spent 5 years developing an AI algorithm that could transform medical diagnostics. The science is brilliant, but without funding, infrastructure, and market access, it stays a paper in a journal. On the other side, a healthcare company has the resources and the reach, but not the deep research capability to create that breakthrough alone. IP is what brings these two worlds together. When a university files a patent, it doesn't lock the discovery away, it creates a tradable asset that can be licensed, co developed, and commercialized. MIT's Technology Licensing Office has done this over thousands of times, giving birth to companies like iRobot. So, IP doesn't just protect innovation, it activates it.
Most founders think intellectual property is just about legal protection, but for an investor, it's something far more valuable. It's a risk reduction engine. A strong IP portfolio does two things. First, it signals defensibility. Investors know that competitors can't simply copy your product and undercut you. That's a serious fear for any investor, and a well built IP strategy puts it to rest. Second, IP is a tangible asset. Even if business pivots, the patents and trademark hold value. They are insurance on the capital invested. Ultimately, a strong IP strategy transforms risky ideas into scalable monopoly. It promises higher margins and a clearer path to exit. Don't just build the product, build a fortress, and that's how you get the yes.
When a business protects its innovation with IP, it doesn't just safeguard an idea, it builds something far more powerful, a distinct identity. Think about the brands you recognize instantly, their logos, their technologies, their signature offerings. That recognition isn't accidental. It's trademarks, patents, and trade secrets working together to create products and experiences that no one else can replicate. IP gives businesses the freedom to stand apart in a crowded market and say clearly that this is ours. And that differentiation translates directly into competitive advantage. It also encourages a stronger customer loyalty, the ability to command premium pricings, and a market position that's genuinely hard to displace. In today's innovation economy, your IP is your edge.
Everything we have discussed today, innovation, collaboration, investment, identity, all of it become even more powerful when you can take it to the world. Think of IP as a global passport for your best ideas. When you truly understand how it works, you're not just protecting a single product. You're clearing a path to grow your business internationally. It gives you the confidence to launch in new markets, knowing that your work, your brand, and your competitive edge are protected wherever you go. Securing your ideas internationally transform a local invention into a global asset. It's the difference between a great project and a world-class business that can scale anywhere. So protect your ideas today. When you do, you're not just defending what you have built. You're opening the door to everything that's still possible.